to my 38 out of 39,000 subscribers that only watch my how-to tutorials. And to all the people that are new to this channel, I know you hate me already. And to my mom. Hi, Mom! And to Donald Trump. Make America great again, will ya? And to Jesus. Thank you. And all you Black Panther fans out there or whatever. So I bet you're all wondering why I gathered you here today. That's about how an ostrich would sound if he could talk. But you would think it's to show you guys how to make Black Panther claws out of nothing but sticky notes, but I just wanted to show you guys how McDonald's makes their chicken nuggets.
Everybody put your hands up!
I already took up most of your time, looks like I should hurry. I love doing that. Okay, let's start with your sticky notes. You're only gonna need one. Make sure the sticky part is upside down, but still facing towards you. And the next step you're gonna need to do is fold diagonally away from you. Yeah, look at that fold. Oh, yeah. Now that you have this right triangle, I don't really know what the hypotenuse and all that stuff is, so I'm just gonna tell you, folding away from you again, I want you to make this edge touch this edge. So the fold is gonna go that way. Open it back up to your right triangle and fold here. Fold down and then back up. One of these. Down and then back up. Get it low enough here. The final step is to just wrap it around your finger. Round it out on your finger and wrap it right around. Fits. Just for you. And you just gotta do that 5 or 10 more times and you're done. See, now you can't tell me that wasn't easy. Now a lot of you guys are probably wondering that if with these claws you're gonna be able to just like the web shooter. That's not the case, but they're still really cool if you ask me. Just the idea that you can make these in work or in class is pretty dope to me. So yeah, go ahead and try them out yourself. Share this video with somebody, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, and everybody hit that notifications bell for when I upload, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. And like this video.
Tapped in when I maxed in, compound with the matches and the pumps in the background. I was absent, never OGs and out. I was lacking everything.